So this is part 2 of installing ambient lights. If you haven't watched the part 1, I installed the ambient lights for speakers at the front. If you haven't watched that, go check it out. And this part 2, I'm going to install the ambient lights for the seat. And this is the part you need to install in the ambient lights for your seat. All of these lights and the harness for the seat ambient light is the aftermarket part. And this part will be go straight to here. Go straight to here. The tool you need is a pick, trim remover, but you don't need the screwdriver. Screwdriver is for the speakers to remove the front door. If you haven't watched ambient lights for the speakers, then check it out. It's from the last video. So right now we are going to install this ambient lights for your seat. It doesn't matter which one you go which side, it's all the same. First, you just click them in. This one goes to here. Push them gently, don't push too hard. And after it's in, here is a splitter. This one goes to here. Just click it in and just push all of these wires goes in. And now use a trim remover to remove the footwell lights. As you can see, this footwell light is out. It is hard to show under here, but you just use your trim removal on the left side and then pull it out. Now we are going to connect here, and as you can see, this splitter, this big one goes to the stock one. The newer one goes into the light. So as you can see, both sides have been done. It looks great. The fitment is also great, and you couldn't see any wires at all. So it is really great as long as you hide them pretty well. And now we just wait until the night. And this will fit all of the A model, no matter you have the sport seats or standard seats. Finally at the night right now, as you can see the ambient lights for this seat. It is really cool. And the ambient lights for the rear seats is controlled by the 919 color. Let me show you here. I already chose the thin, and when I change to purple, and it is purple right now, so it looks really great. This is it. How do you guys think of these new lights? Please let me know in the comments below, and if you want to get one of these, please contact me. So this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for your watching. I will see you next video.